Hi guys, and welcome along to another edition of the Extension Build series. In this episode, we're going to be focusing primarily on the front of the house. We're going to continue getting the pavers down and also installing the flagstones at the front of the property. Remember, if you like today's video, be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so every time we release a new video, you will be notified. Enjoy the video. So we're going to have two stones, as we've mentioned before. These are the stones and they're going there and over there. So currently Alex is working on this one. So we've got our template cut here. So this will be the actual shape of the stone once we're finished. What's going to happen is the stone will sit in this area just here. The wall will come across and will actually sit on top of the stone. The flagstone will sit underneath, because it's really important to check everywhere else so it actually matches in with the surroundings. All the other flagstones on the properties do this. They actually sail through under the bricks, and then there's a 50mm nib which sticks out at the front and 50mm that way as well. So you've got effectively a little horn like you would on a windowsill, but that's running all the way across and matches over this side as well. What Alex has got to do now is get that stone cut to the size of this template, and then we can match it in and go from there. So the stone has been marked out using the template. You can see over there, that's our little mark out there, and then there's another line down here which Alex has got his guide out for. So now, using the Hilti saw with the water feed, we're going to get this cut. So Alex, it's over to you. So we're going for a 9-inch grinder now rather than the big Hilti saw, just because it's a bit more precise and smaller. It's a bit more lightweight, so you can manoeuvre it a bit easier, because this is quite an intricate cut. So Alex is going to crack on with this one. Hopefully not crack on was the wrong word to use. So the stone is cut. So using our template that we showed you earlier, Alex has very carefully and intricately cut around all the corners, so that will slot nicely into this position here now. So that's the next process. I'll set up a time lapse and you can watch us do it. hold on, we're not done yet, we're not done yet, no. As you enjoyed Greg so much in the last video, we're bringing you some bonus footage of the big man finishing the rest of the tiles in the garden. So as you've just seen, Greg is here yet again. He is making excellent progress and finishing it off absolutely amazingly. So we've got our nice step detail there, like I mentioned before. So he's going to get an upstand on here today, which will obviously cover this, and then our LED strip will go in there. This is all coming along nicely. You've actually managed to get a few full tiles in this time, Greg, without having to cut them all. So the rest of them, as you can see, are all cuts around here, and then the riser under there will be cut as well. Once Greg's finished today, we'll leave the grout until absolutely last thing, once everything's cleared out, because the last thing we want to do is make all the grout all dirty, with obviously foot traffic coming through. So once he's done, we can then start getting the barbecue installed, getting these sets around the outside perimeter, and then get the artificial grass down as well. So yeah, as usual, I'll set up a time lapse and you can watch him work away. So guys, that is it for this edition. We're getting ever and ever closer to the end of this extension build series. But before we leave you, there's a few more videos to show you yet. We're going to show you how we've built the shed down the side of the house. And also, we're going to build, well, we already have built a wooden barbecue. Yeah, that's right. We're building a barbecue out of wood. To be fair, it's amazing and it's going to work. But you know, you say wooden barbecue, people might go, really? But it's fine, it is good. So as always, if you have liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe. You've been watching me, John, and Build with A&E. Take care and see you next time.